Okay, so habang nasa traffic, using my Fortress 160, short video tayo para ma-check kung paano i-activate yung hybrid assist. So as you can see on the screen, ayan, naka P0 yan, which means pag P0, regular lang yung takbo natin. So para makuha natin yung hybrid assist, dito sa switch ng idling stop, quick tap mo lang to. Tingnan nyo, ha. Ayun, nakita nyo ba nag P1? So to turn it off, mabilis lang. So yun lang, short video lang to. At babiyahe pa ako pa uwi. Happy holidays, guys. Stop recording.